Today we're going to be sharing how to make these eggshell candles. You're going to start by taking your egg and kind of cracking it a little more gently than normal along the top part of the egg. Once the shell is empty, you can use some sharp scissors to go along the top of the egg to kind of cut a more smooth edge. Then you'll just want to use soap and water to wash out your eggs very well and let them dry completely. Once they're dry, you can use a hot glue gun to start attaching your wicks to the bottom of the shells. Then you'll just want to create a way to make sure that your wicks stay standing up once you pour the hot wax in. There are a bunch of different ways to do this. I decided, since mine were already in a direct line, to just use some skewers, kind of band them together and pinch all of the wicks in between those. Then I used soy wax flakes and I melted them according to directions. And once the wax was melted, I poured them into the eggshells and then I let the eggs sit until they were cooled fully and the wax was solid. Then I removed the skewers and I trimmed down all of the wicks, and then they were ready to put on display and use.